lightning of a million screams, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfold.
Good morning. Launch one more thing here. Got a little drop this morning. Little flag, maybe a couple of them. Something like, could do something like that as we drop down. Could have done something like that. I mean, however you want to do it. Midnight open here. 728 might be a target. And then maybe on down to target one, which is 24,678. That might be a target there. I'm going to take a little test trade real quick just to make sure this is showing. Okay. Let's look at let me look at the 15-minute real quick. Those are some targets. Oh, that's ES. Okay, we're already set up here. Get rid of this guy. Get rid of this guy. On ES, here's that box I drew out yesterday and said we tried to get down there once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Came back up 8, and then 9th was the final drop down to close it out. So we are below the pivots. We're below the bull zone, which is all bearish. Same thing on NQ. You know, same scenario, same setup, a little more structured. ES went down farther, but there you go. Oh, I thought it hit that gap. Nope, didn't hit the bottom. So we could still come down and close this out at 680. I'd have no problem with that. All right, something to think about. Right around 680, 686, 681. See what kind of games they want to play. Nothing goes straight down, so I'm all set up for to run NQ, a pre-market 2-minute high. Playing same numbers I played yesterday. Michael, I'm all set up, ready to go if you are. There we go. Okay, London low 24,746. We got pretty close there, 750, but we did not take it out. And they like to do it in cash session. ES's is 67.15.75. London low. Okay, I'm done with you. Huh. I'm going to try something real quick. How much time I got? I got 2 minutes. So I got to go fast here.
Do the new ones.
Oh. All right. What am I doing? 1 minute left. Michael, if you want to join, you know how to join.
Joined.
Oh, very good. All right, pre-market 2 minute. We got 20 seconds. I'm doing my same numbers as yesterday, and I'm all set up.
Yep, I'm all set up as well.
Yep, Players Championship today.
Yep. Where are they playing? Oh, you got Florida, or is it?
Yeah, TPC. Oh, got taken out. Quick loss.
Yeah, same. Me too.
Trying for the long now.
Oh, it stopped again.
Oh, I got one. Okay. So quick, man. Okay.
Missed me by a second. Yeah, fuck.
Oh. I'm going to jump on down here. Oh, nope. Didn't make it. See if I can, there we go. Nope. Come on, baby. Let's go. Yeah, I don't know why I play this shit.
Yeah, getting killed. Yeah.
All right. I'm going to try to take out the London low here. There we go. That's good enough. Got some money back. All right, I'm done. I'm going to take a break from NQ for a little while. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to just stay where I'm at. We'll switch over to ES here in a few. Ugh. So ES just took out a London low. NQ took out London low. And let's see what they do. All right, took out London low and we're bouncing. So the question will be, can we come all the way back up here to 24,902? Or do we just continue down? I guess it's continue down.
Yeah.
We dropped outside that box I talked about yesterday. We dropped back outside it. And we could come down to, oh, that was ES. Take out the lows, which is a poor man's low. Well, actually, that was around midnight. And that was 24,691. Roughly 690-ish. 695. Okay, ES. I need to adhere to my rule, Michael. 10 o'clock? Should I adhere to that?
You always have to adhere to it.
It's just a stupid rule. I put it in place. Can't I break it?
Yeah, you can. Probably will, but you can.
Yeah, I probably will. Okay, this is actually not a bad spot to go short at on ES. But, ooh, glad I didn't. Ooh. This is why you wait till 10 o'clock. What did, so bot suite, or the pre 2 minute, ended up with -5, it said. Stopped out on the first short and then took 15 points on the long, which I'm supposed to be at 15 and 20. I need to change that. I'll change it now so it's hopefully stays. And I'll template. That should be saved as a default. Anyway. All right, so now I got it saved. All right. So we went way up above. Oh, we almost hit, what is that?
The bottom of the bear zone that we
Yeah.
hit now.
Yeah.
I mean the bull zone, sorry.
Yeah.
Which is also kind of, it came up to the 50% fib, overnight high low, and rejected there. But I don't know, man. I'm like, fuck.
Oh, bull's last stand. That's what it was.
Yeah, down
Makes
there. Yeah,
sense.
we wicked down. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, I'm going to
We
take a
wicked the
short
boat.
on ES, I think. Well, we got to come down a little further on ES. There it goes. Okay. So where do I think we're going to go on ES? Well, I wouldn't mind taking out 6706. There we go. All right, so I took short on ES. I like the continuation of the down move, but we are down 60 points, so we could see a bounce here. ES or NQ. Oh, bullish 5. Oh, I need to check myself. Hold on, I'm going to get out. I don't like that bullish move on NQ. ES is not so bullish, but I'll take that stop right there. Yeah, that's what I came away with, Nettie. Same thing. I should have checked my 15-minute candles on NQ. Doesn't mean it can't reverse, but
That's the 1 minute chart. We just played at the 1 minute. Just above and below, above and below.
yeah.
815.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's looking a little bullish there. All right, took a little bit of a loss, so I'm going to just sit on my hands now and wait. 5-minute candle came out, right?
Yep. Schedule that.
And it's green, so I'm going to put in a green 5-minute fib.
Yeah, it's up to, what's it? 863.
Yep. Close enough. Came out to the 38.2 so far.
Back below the 1 minute again.
Yeah.
Just back above it.
Oh, yeah. Shoot. I wouldn't mind taking the long here, but it's not in my time frame yet. Yep. Oh, TCS taking a long. You can see it played out right here. I got to intervene. Oops. Or do I?
Yeah, wick down and just bounced it. Fuck.
Yeah. There we
Yeah,
go.
stop was big enough, yeah.
Come on. Got to get above that 20-minute EMA. If it can take out, it needs to take out that high. Otherwise, I might have to get out here. There we go. Let me get on the 2-minute.
Yeah, it's hard to short this.
Yeah.
It's just back and forth.
Yeah. Not a big fan of this candle on the 5-minute. But let's see. Hey.
Hmm.
So I'm going to let that NQ play out there. I can switch over to it. There we go. Oh, that might have been it. I'm going to get out of this guy. Take that 200-point loss, I think. 300. Put him there. If he takes it, he takes it. Yeah. Came down to the 61.8 on that 5-minute. We could bounce here on NQ.
Yeah.
Here, let me check. 35. So that's a down candle. There we go. All right, I'm out. I'm going to get out. Yep. Took the loss. NQ. Got to take that trade. I mean, I let TCS go. If it takes a trade, it takes the trade. Okay. Oh. Hmm. Okay. Come on, baby. Get on down there. Nope. Oh. All right, I'm going to take one off. Beautiful. Okay, what the fuck is happening here? Oh, I was in a. Okay. All right. There we go. All right. Come on, let's go. All right, so I got to look for a bounce here on ES right around 98, 99. We took out the low now, the overnight low. Bear target 2's coming up at 97. We have a prior low right around 99. So if we take that out, we got some gap fills below. Next target down at 66.40. So I am going to, we're getting a little far away from our EMAs. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Where'd we get down to? 02. Woo.
Bear target 1.
Yeah, that's where we're at. But man, ES just snapped back. I'm going to get out. Yep. Son of a biscuit. All right. So NQ, what do we get? We took out its lows. Bear target 1, you're right there at 678. What did we hit? The low, 676.
Yeah.
We too have a prior low at 24,573. Could be an hour low or could be a 15-minute low. So we're getting close to 10 o'clock. Are we? I'm hoping so. I can really start to trade then.
11 minutes.
Yep. Wow, bounce. What a bounce. Is that even cooked? All right, back up to midnight open at 67.12 on ES and 728. All right, so nice little bounce up.
Fuck is that? Wow.
Yeah. Wow. Okay. We get some news here?
Yeah.
Oops, wrong one. Yeah, it just could be. If we drop back below 24,740, I'm going short. So right now I'm just in a hold mode. Potential long on ES, NQ, getting close, not quite there yet. ES drops down below 740, 742. I would be looking for a short. Probably 733 would probably make the most sense. There you go. I took 33.75, about what I said. See if we can get a nice little runner. I'm 33. I'm going to drop her down to 23, lock in 10. Hell, I'll lock in 15, 13, just to lock in 20. I'll lock in 303. That'll give me 30. If we can get down to around 93. There we go. I'll lock in 03 or 93. We'd have to come down. Probably take me out as a target. See if we come down even further. There we go. Come on, baby. Let's do it. Show it how it's done. Let's go. You can do it. All right. I'm going to lock in. I'd like to lock in 83. That would be sweet. Come on. Take out the low. Would love to take out that low. There's 50 points. If I can get down there at 83. There we go. Locking in 50. I'm going to drop on down so just in case we get a little flush action. 83. Let's go to 73. Come on. Give me 63. No, we're going to whoop. We may retrace. We may come down. Let's go. I'll lock in. Come on, give me 60. Get down to 53. Oh, almost there. Go. Plunge. Take it. Take the elevator. Okay. I'm going to just go ahead and lock in that 72. There's 60 locked in. Oh, not yet. There we go. Boom, boom. Gotta love that. Got real quiet there on the other end. What happened? Are you still in the trade?
No, yeah, I've just got one left.
Nice.
I've got such a bad headache.
Oh,
Just
sorry.
can't even.
And here
No,
I
it's
am.
all right. Just
Here I'm
brutal.
trying to-
No, it's brutal headache from I think from my mouth. Yeah.
All right, NQ, we're at their target 1, or the ES.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about taking that short, so let me look at it.
680.
Oh, just missed it. I'm going to take that. See if we can come down to bear target 2. Come on, baby. Give it to me. Oh, whoa. Whoa.
Man, oil
Look at it.
up almost $8.
Yep. Look at that. Playing ES, playing NQ, back to ES, back to NQ, and now back to ES. Come on, baby. Give it to me.
All right,
Give
there's
me
your
2K and I'll be done. There we go. Oh. Close enough.
S5.
What? What?
There's your bear target.
Who is that guy?
Uh, I'm out. That's bear target 2. I'm out of everything. Just
Positions. I'm still in one. There we go.
man, this fucking.
Let's see if I can catch some. Not interested in losing much. We could bounce here because we came down to bear target 2. So I'm a little nervous about, I might just stop out here. Come on, give me a little bit. Get about halfway down. Yeah. Get about halfway down. Give me 99. Oh, there's that 99 I was talking about. Potential bounce area. There we go. Try it again. Let's take it out. Take it out. Yeah, I don't like this area. I got to wait for a move down below or something. We got 1 minute, 44 seconds left.
Oh, you got to get a move up to like 80, 75, 80 for a short.
Back up to target 1.
Yeah, and also that'll be like the 14 on the 14 EMA. There's some gaps. But short in here, it's like, ugh, it's tough.
Yep. Here we go. .38 seconds left on the 5 minute. 34 seconds left on the 15. We came down to that hour position or that support at 98 on ES. Here, should have done this earlier. Control copy. There you go. That's what it was. If we come back down, I'll take that short. New 15 minutes, so we should move up higher. And now the thought is if we can get, man, like you said, if we can get up to like 67.12, heaven forbid 17, and then flush back down below, we definitely would get the short. It's going to take that long to shoot. Okay. Back up to opening range, 15-minute low, or the opening range low. On the ES, NQ didn't get up that high. Good idea. Okay. $10 o'clock. Did not want to take that long. Thought about it. Let's see. Uh, there we go. Okay. Just going to be patient here. Could have taken the long there at 67.18. I mean, it's there. I could take it. Uh-oh. I got to get rid of this guy first. Should have taken it. 15-minute. Let's see. Prior 15-minute high on ES was 67.32. Now we didn't get up there, so now I'm going to watch for a bearish crossover maybe. Came up to the 20 EMA, 5-minute 20. Took a little short there. Little ES one. Just trying to get these guys positive, famous last words, but
Yeah.
try to get those guys positive. I'll try to lock in as soon as I can. Come on, baby, get up there. Just need another few bucks. Come on. Ooh. Yeah, I'll just take a loss here. Little stop. I don't know. I'm not sure which way we're going to go. My long should have been right here at around 18.
Huh.
All right, I'm going to try one more time. We got a big gap to fill down here. Obviously with that big old move up.
Yeah.
Let's go. There's the NQ short too. What do I need? I need maybe halfway down, man. If we can make it down to around 10, I would probably be positive. I wouldn't mind getting a little more either, but nope, gonna give it back. Nope. Okay, so my long should have been right here at 19. Ooh, man, I hate to take it long. I'll give it a shot. See if we can get a little punch up. Come on. Punch it up there. Punch it up, Judy. We just closed that gap fill in the 1 minute. We got some noise up there. You got the 1 minute weighted on ES. You got the 20 EMA. You got VWAP. You got everything all consolidated within like a 4-point little play. I'll take 25 if I can get up there. If not, I'll take a 5-point loss, I guess. 5 points either way. Come on. 4-point and 5-point. Let's see who wins. Don't really like the doji. Damn it, I'm out. No, it's still a long. Come on back down. Let me get back in. Nope, it's not going to let me. Saturday. Okay. Okay, I'm watching. So what are we going to do? It's a tough one. I lean towards the
Big gap
short.
there, yeah.
Yeah. But I'm watching the 15-minute on NQ, and it's 15 minutes just slowly getting smaller and smaller, but come on.
We just keep.
I mean, obviously, the longer we stay here, the more it favors to the downside. The longer we stay here, the more it favors the downside. All right, I'm going to take the loss. And oh, I've just made things worse so far. I just can't get anything positive. If I get a couple points, I'd probably go to break even and Come on, there's 1975. Come on, what did you get me? 21.25. Come on, get me up there to 23 at least. There we go. Come on. Okay. NQ's trying to get a little strength. Up there at 19. Come on, go to 22. NQ, keep going. Let's bust out through that previous 5-minute candle around 28. There we go. Come on. Get back through that 1 minute weighted. Yes, you can do it. Nope. Maybe next 1 minute candle. They're trying to push it up. Trying to get a squeeze going, Michael. Squeeze all them shorts.
Yep.
Turn them into buyers.
Squeeze you just enough to take you out and then reverse it.
All right.
Inside bar, entry.
5-minute inside bar.
Yep.
Yeah.
Right there. Just hit it.
It's taking the long.
Oh, there we go. All right. At least I got ES 5 points. Woohoo. The long on ES was 19. I should have just stayed in. Trying to get above VWAP now on ES. And that 20 EMA. Same rules apply, same gameplay. For me is if we get above this 20 EMA and we close above it on the 2 minute, I'll take it long. Same rules as the NQ. I think the NQ plays better, but you can kind of just look back and say, well, if you would have got here, you would have made some money. If you would have taken this short, you would have, well, 12 down to, yeah, you didn't get much. 3 points. Here you would have lost money. But these are all pre-market early mornings. Let me just check yesterday because I don't know how ES plays on that 2 minute pre-market. So let me check yesterday's moves. Let's start after 10 o'clock. All right, we got above it right here, 958. Nice move up. You had to have taken some money there. We came down and closed below it right here. You would have taken that short at 91. 10-point stop would have held 91 and you would have got a nice move down. So that worked. Got back above here, closed there, took it. So you're up at 90. Move against you was 86. So 86, 90, you're still 10-point stop would have worked. And it went all the way up to 03 from 90. So not bad play. Come down, close here, 86 up to 92, 4 points. I would have worked, and that would have worked in your favor. Here, same thing, decent stop, would have worked in your favor. Okay, that's enough. That's all I need. So now we close this candle above this guy. I'll look for that long.
5-minute inside bar is going to hit
Inside
target.
bar,
Yep.
entry.
Oh, you got
There's a
15 minute.
15-minute.
Yep.
Yep.
Missed it by a couple ticks. Huh, kind of like yesterday, huh?
And which one? The
5 minute.
Yeah, my one got target 1.
Oh, I missed it.
Yeah, just probably based on
1
execution or whatever.
Well, you're probably, what are you on, NQ or ES or MNQ?
This one is on MNQ. Yeah, that's why. Just hit it at 750. Yeah. But it's probably going to get stopped in a second. Yeah, because it looks like the second one got stopped at break even. Yeah.
Okay, so we did get a close. So now my long is at 27. The purpose of that is to stay out of the junk. Did we close back below? No, we didn't.
Yeah. 15 minutes gonna get, let's see.
Gonna get smacked.
Yeah,
Our
maybe.
stop is at
Yeah, it looks
1750.
yeah, it looks like it is,
Yep,
yeah.
just got hit.
Yeah, just got stopped, yeah.
Okay, so now you could put, let me just put this here and oops. Here, let me see if I could hurry up and do this. There we go. Watching that line right there. But so far, if we push back above, I'll take that long. Just as easy as I'm going to go short here. Oops. Oh, fuck, come on. Piece of shit. Okay. I'll wait for the gameplay on ES on the 1 minute. Yeah, breaking that trend line. But we haven't got a close yet, so I'm going to wait. SPY went above the 48 EMA, Michael. Now it's down below the 13 EMA. Come on, stay back up there. Let's get a move back up to 17, and I'll take it short. Come on. All right, we're below the midnight open. Oh, gosh damn it. I had to get rid of that guy. He wouldn't let me in. Maybe that was okay. Come on, move up. I really wanted to come up to around 17, but 12 is my actual entry. So I'm okay with taking 11 if I have to. Yep. And I'll target the lows. No guarantees. There's never a guarantee in trading, is there?
There's no guarantee with anything, man. Nope.
That's a good point.
There are some guarantees, but they are not to our benefit. Yeah.
Excuse me. All right. Ooh. I saw a little thing this morning. I was up pretty early, and I saw a little thing. A Tiger was talking with a golfer, talking about some of his best shots and what was his mindset and thinking and stuff. It was pretty amazing.
Yeah. He's done. He's not, is he playing or not?
I think he might come around on the Masters.
Yeah.
He's pretty buffed out right now. So we'll see.
Yeah.
All right, got a nice little trade going. I'm gonna, if I can get to $200, another $100, I'm gonna be taking him off. That or taking out the low and taking me out down there.
Yeah, IB's way down there. Yeah.
Yep.
630.
I might have to bring my stop up a little bit. There we go. So 15 minutes, not looking so good. So if we take out NQ 15 minute at 651.50, got to think we're going to go lower. 651.50 right here. Let's go. Let's just take out this candle here. We can take that one out. Yeah, that wasn't good. Son of a gun. All right, that's fair. Okay, so we came down to the 70.2 on ES. This is what I was looking at. I'll show it on the chart here. I'll just put apply. There it is. So we came down to this right here at the 70.2 and we bounced. So the question will be is, do we take out this 78.6 and then also then take out ultimately the low? So that's kind of what I'm watching on the fibs. And if we continue down, I'm looking for 66.85 for a nice little move. So shit, if I'm going to do that, I might as well start looking for it, right? There we go. Let's see how this plays out. It'd be great to take out that 78.6. Okay, we had a cross at about Randall Weeb. Oh, sorry. Oops. Probably used somebody's name I probably wasn't supposed to. But you would have taken that short at 11.12. Oh, well, it's not like anybody watches the show, so it doesn't matter. 67.12 could have been your entry. I got in 11. I'm going to go ahead and bring my stop a little bit. Actually, he needs to be up here. I don't want to take out just an arbitrary number here. Still haven't taken out this low yet on NQ, and that's going to be the dictator, in my opinion. You got 5 minutes left after this closes in 10 minutes, so that's going to be the dictator. If you bust through that prior 15 minutes, we're taking out the lows. So right here, yeah, I don't like that bounce. Take me out, fuckers. There we go. Okay, so that 15-minute candle. There we go. This could turn into a green candle here. I'm not saying it's going to, I'm just saying it could. The low there is at 67.03 on ES. 03.50. Take that out and we're going lower. Oh, I don't know if I would try for the long yet. Oh, I don't think we're done yet. I'll move back down below 08. I'm going to take a short. If not, I'll hold off. So somewhere right around there. There's my, there we go. Yeah, you might have got trapped. Okay, got the short. I'm going to just go ahead and I'm going to try for the low. We got to take out those 15-minute wicks or 15-minute lows. Otherwise, we could go higher. Take out
Man,
this low
it came
here on
up
the
into the
15-minute, 51.50. ES. What do you got to get to? 0350. Yeah. 0350 right there. That's 78.6. Should I add one? Let's add one. I'll take one off. Increase. I'm going to take one off right at the 78.6. And then I'll take the last one. Actually, I'm going to bring him down to that potential target down there at 85. Come on, baby. Take him out. If he gets close, I'll go ahead and take it out for it. Oh, come on. Don't tell me you're going to bounce right there. There we go. All right, took one off. Trying to get 17 more dollars. Come on.
Your break of the 15-minute candle.
Yep, got the break of the 15, just barely.
Yeah.
Just barely. It's trying to decide, do I want to go lower or do I want to be done with this move? 78.6, so we hit the 78.6. Oh, SPY's going down. You know I got some SPY puts on that last move up, Michael.
Good job.
Yep. I ain't getting much for him though, but oh, you fucker. Why does this thing always stop or like freezes whenever I go to get out of something? Is that just me? Oh, come on. Give me the 12 bucks, dude. Let me lock it in. Come on. Let's go down to new lows. Take out IB. Nope. Gonna take me out, huh? Motherfucker. Oh, there we go. That's what I wanted to see. Getting a little action. A little action, Jackson. Come on, a little more. Let's go. All right, I'm going to lock in, so at least I'm positive on that account. I'm going to try for the 66.85. Let's go. I like this new way of trading, Michael. Huh?
What's the new way of trading?
What?
Mm.
All right, we took out IB, took out the low. Oh, yeah. I'm going to go ahead and lock in some money. Thank you very much. Ooh. And then now watch. There we go. Okay. I'm going to just lock in. Well, I should probably lock in 701. All right. That'll at least get me positive, stay positive in that account that I was trying to go from red to green. That the bot suite took on that pre-too high minute low. Okay, doing what I need to do. Still looking for 66, 80, 85, 86 area. All right. Let me just check out chat. Good morning, and almost done for the day. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. All right, IB's taken. Let's go. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just go above IB there. IB on ES is at 96. I'm going to put my stop in at 98. Probably going to get taken out here. That's fine. Something I forgot I put into play was the 15-minute, the 2050 EMA cross. So on my little pop-out box, my little picture-in-picture, it always says, it'll tell you what the situation is. So when I got out here this morning at probably 3 a.m. your time, Michael, that's when I was out watching stuff. It was already in a bear mode. So the 20 was below the 50.
What is trend?
Okay, NQ is down 386. ES is down 86. 6,500, somewhere around there is probably the target. I wonder if we're going to go into a bear
Trend
market.
label, downtrend. Trend label.
So anyway, the 2050 cross is always a good one to watch for your trends. Doesn't give me a bias. I actually go in every day with no bias whatsoever.
Trend label. You said the 20, which one? 2050 cross?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
So when I made this when I made that little picture-in-picture, I wanted it to tell me, or at least kind of give me a little visual saying, hey, all right, I'm out. All right. So I picked up a little bit on that one. That's good. But I wanted to create a little indicator right out of the chart that would say, hey, you know, if you're going to favor some way, this is the direction to favor. So in this case, it was a bear. So sell the pops. It'll give you then current price and then also the EMAs. So the 20 EMA. Oh, it's just showing the EMA 20, which is 67.27 right now. Way up there.
Yeah, 60.
At least that's where it's saying it is. I don't know if that's where it actually is, but I don't know why it doesn't show the 50. It'd be nice to have that. Okay. I've done all I can do. This is the direction I wanted to go. Which is to play the system. You know, it doesn't matter what your system is, just you got to be consistent. Here's the 20 EMA on the 2-minute for ES. And then according to my little system, you're short. It's a 5-minute 20. Close below it. Get to that wick right there. Your short should have been at 17, which is, what did I get in at? I think I got in at 11, so I was a little low, but that was the correct entry. I got sidetracked and wasn't watching it. And then, but still, it was a good entry at 11, which is just a little bit farther down. Took a little heat, and then we plunged down, which is fine. So we're right back at IB. 67.90 or 66.96. Oh yeah. Oh,
man.
Didn't even watch my SPY, and I'm glad I didn't.
Dude.
It would have been nice to add, though. Almost nearing 100%, Michael. Not quite there yet. Question is where's SPY going? That's the big question. What should be a target? Let's look at our chart. All right, so I was looking for ES 85, right? We got down to 88.
Oh. Nice little bounce there.
Yeah. $660. Oh. 661.68 is a target for SPY. We might get a little bounce here, though, first. Well, maybe not. We might just blow right past that. That would just be a null, but so far that's actually worked out each time. All right, I'm actually glad I'm out, and I think I'm going to jump out of these SPY puts too. Look, I think there might be a bounce coming. Yep. Oh, I like that. Come on, take her down. All right. See if we get a ripper.
Hmm?
We get a move up. I don't know. Would have liked to have seen 85 get hit, then a move up. But you know what they say? Rolling Stones always says it.
Don't always get what you want.
You know.
Yeah, fuck, never. Never, ever.
All right. Nice trading today. In this very volatile market. Keeping it really simple. Oops. Okie dokie. There we go. Take me out. All right, 55 seconds, you're going to get a green 15-minute candle on both ES and NQ. Looks like a good place for a move up.
Mm.
According to Iran's IRGC, in response to the supreme leader, we will deliver the most severe blows to the aggressor's enemy by maintaining the strategy of keeping the Straits of Hormuz closed.
Yeah, I think that was earlier, right? Yeah. There, yeah.
USS Ford on fire from non-combat related. Fires happen on ships. That's why we used to
Yeah.
practice. When I was in the Navy, we used to practice. You practiced.
Yep.
Because when you're out there, you got nowhere to go. So you better put
Yeah,
that fire out.
yeah. Yeah, you got to practice those things. Otherwise, that's why when we've been on a cruise, you do fire drills when you get there.
Yeah. Because they happen. There we go. There we go. There's the bump. You're going to get some people trying to close some shorts now.
Came right up to the 1 minute.
Yeah.
Let's
Same
see
with
if
ES.
it blasts right through it.
Look at that. the long on N or ES would have been 67.06. You'd be up 10, 13 points already. Over 500, 600 bucks. You would have taken that long. You would have had a little bit of, actually, you wouldn't have taken the long until it actually made the move, 607. Wow.
Trump
System works,
administration
Michael.
to Trump administration is set to suspend the Jones Act to tame oil prices.
I'm not familiar with the Jones Act.
I am not either. But I think they are in a little bit of a panic here with oil.
Oh, yeah, everybody is. The whole world is.
Yeah.
They lit up a few more boats last night, her ships. That's a problem. The question will be is how much will they tolerate before they just start going on I mean, the bombs so far now have been pretty surgical, right? I mean,
Yeah.
they're really going after like the launcher sites, the any place where they're making bombs or anything like that, right? And then also the head of or any of the leaders. The next question will be is at some point, if oil gets up to 200 bucks, I think you're going to see a severe ramp up. And I could see just a lot of deaths.
Yeah, I don't, yeah. Yeah, I think that, yeah, I don't know, like I sometimes wonder where they think about these things. I think that they're thinking about this oil more on the side of politics. Because if oil stays up, they're going to get murdered in the elections.
Yeah.
So, and I think they are like, I don't think they thought that this would be.
Well, he's got 3 more years, so he's got 3 more years to
no,
figure
the
it out.
midterms. I talk about the midterms.
Oh yeah, no midterms. I agree.
Yeah,
They could
I
cut
think
his legs
that
off. You're right.
yeah, not going to be good because oil, inflation, and then fuck.
Yep.
And then his last 2 years will just be he'll be a lame duck, man.
Yeah.
If that's the case.
Yep. You know what I could do? I could just
Fuck, man, look at that move down right to the 1 minute. Look at that, huh?
Yep.
Above the 1 minute, back below, and there's 80 points, 90 points. Fuck hell. I just can't trade this. It's like does Apex have a sale?
Yeah, they extended it for 2 more days. My understanding.
Just so that I have something to trade when I don't want to trade the PAs, So what is it? What is it like? What is it like? The new accounts, right? They changed it to was it like $19 or something for the eval?
Yeah.
And then
Not the new ones.
$79 for the.
No, the yeah.
Is that fixed now? Is that like a fixed 79 is like a fixed price going forward?
I don't know. Is that what it was? 79?
I mean, I thought I saw it as $79 as your lifetime PA fee. I think.
Oh.
Let me go. I've got to look and see.
Well, I think they got to start trying to compete with Take Profit Trader because I was started thinking because now there's no more re-upping the accounts or anything, right?
Yeah.
They just eliminate after 30 days.
Yeah, I'm looking here. It says explore products. Let's see. It says like if you do that and that. So it says it's like $19 for the account. And then it says one-time activation fee, $79.
Huh.
So maybe that's just fixed now. That's locked in.
Okay.
Hmm.
Well, I mean, but then they got to have specials all the time, right?
Yeah, well, the special might be the 90% off the eval,
Yeah.
but the 79 might stay as it is, you know?
Yeah, because I mean, take profit traders $103 or $101, whatever it is.
Yeah, so
And
they're going to try and keep it probably the way it is right here, 79 plus 20s and call it $100.
yeah,
They got to try be somewhat competitive, I guess.
Yep. I'm gonna try a short there at 95 if we get back down below there.
Okay.
So technically, the move back below is at 96. We moved up above the 20 EMA, came back down, closed. So technically, 97, I could take the short. Oh. There we go. So the close is there, there. Yep, I'm perfectly set right there. Why? I don't know why that he's going long. I mean, I think I know why, but might be able to do it. Yeah, he's gonna get it. Uh,
Mhm, mhm, mhm.
what? Hmm. What? Another one. Ooh. Oh. Oh, here we go. That guy. Oh, it's going to go for. Four-wheel drive? Yeah.
Hmm.
Well, that one didn't work, but what time is it?
Almost 11, 4 minutes.
Time to go. Time to be done.
Let's see. Uh,
2 minutes left on the 15. Got a big old wicker on the 15-minute. You can see it right here. Let's see if they close this candle green or red. 2 minutes, 43 seconds. But I'm going to go ahead and call it a day because I'm done trading anyway.
yeah, no, it's a good idea, man.
Yep.
You did your numbers and
Yep.
call it a day.
Yep. Did me good on ES. Did good on NQ. Played them both. Played SPY. Winner, chicken dinner all the way around.
Yeah.
See if we can get it again tomorrow.
I got a little screwed on the bot suite today. Yeah.
Yep.
But it happens, I guess.
Yep. I mean, oh, minus 60, minus 60. Yep.
Yeah, and then
minus
I got
5,
screwed
minus
on
60, minus 60. So I'm going to plug those numbers in.
Yeah, then the opening 2 minute, I totally screwed. I got whipsawed. I got,
Yeah. But I mean, if you just played the pre 2 minute, you're doing all right.
Oh yeah, overall, overall you're doing well, yeah, for sure.
Yep. So
Today was just
minus 5. I'm just recording the actual numbers that it puts out. Did the 15-minute play out yesterday?
I don't know if it did.
I was working. I think I went out and worked on my.
Yeah, I don't know because.
Yep, it took a loss.
It took a loss.
Minus 60.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep, look a loss.
So for the month, look at your minus 140 on the 15. Surprisingly, positive 60 on the 5 minute, but up 250 on the pre 2 minute high low. So today, I need to check because my targets are now, or they're supposed to be. Oops. 15 and 20 because I'm shooting for 35 points. So there's. Okay, so it would have gotten 35 there, and then it would have lost. But if I would have gotten, so I took the loss. On the short, and then so I took the stop out minus 20, and then a move up. Yep, minus 20, and then a move up, and you took 15 and 20, so that's 35. So it should have been plus 15. That's what it should have been. Okay. And I'm not cheating, not cherry picking, but I like to be consistent and keep the system saying that, hey, this is the way. If you put your numbers at 15 and 20, here's your numbers, right? So It's actually 270 because you would have got 15 points today. Now, actual numbers probably lower than that, but I don't have control over that. I just record what the system says. And TCS, another loser. Man, it is just in the dumps. 900 points last month and minus, what did you get today? This is a big one too. So 61. So 122 minus 122. And it is now down 430 points. Ooh. But if you were to play in one MNQ for each one, you would only be down $860 right now.
Yeah.
That's important to note.
Yep.
So it's not terrible considering you had a 900 point or $1,800 month last month. I'm playing the 1MQ. Right? So that's the way I look at it. All right. So we got a red 15-minute candle. We hit the short. You got a 15-minute short. Little thing popped up there and said you should be short. And I'm going to just jump into that 15-minute short. And I will only break even. I will not lose money on this day, on this trade, on these accounts that I'm trying to bump up a little bit. We are now below IB on the ES.
Yeah.
We below IB on NQ. Yep.
Yep.
There we go. All right. I'm out and about. I'm going to go to 685. That's where my initial target was. And I'm going to say, you got to get there. Okay. Ciao.
Ciao.
See you. Have a good day. And we'll do it again tomorrow.
Yep.
Okay.
Riding the lightning up.